Alright folks, I'm going to do an unboxing real quick of Dominator's Air Raid assortment. Couldn't find one of these on YouTube, so I happened to order it this year. Figured I'd kind of show what's out there. So let's go. First up, impact fountain. Pretty self-explanatory. You get a pack of 3 blaster shots. Let's see what we got in here. Crackle with red stars. Crackle with blue stars. And crackle with green stars. I have another fountain here, Assault. Again, pretty self-explanatory. Now I think we have some hybrids coming up here. This one called Powerhouse, 7 shots. Longtime favorite, starts with the fountain, then ends with shells. So you got a hybrid. Then we got another one here, powder keg. Let's see, where's performance? There we go. This item emits colorful bursts of color before erupting in surprise of loud crackle mines. So we got another hybrid. Bunker Buster. 7 shots. Let me find the performance here. There we go. Longtime favorite, starts with fountain, ends with shells. Okay, another hybrid. Alright. Come down here. I think this is going to be the cakes. Red Alert. One of my personal favorites. Even though this is a 200 grammer. 8 shots. Item's performance will frag the sky with exploding colors and noise. This is one of your definitely need to include in your backyard display. Eight-shot fighter. Performance, 8 shots. A powerful performance of color and crackle. This cake will keep you on the edge of your seat. Last but not least, Defender, 8 shots. 8 shots of blazing hot pink star burst will rip through the sky towards their target, exploding in huge bursts of colors and noise. Yeah, so you got a pack of blaster shots, 2 fountains, 3 hybrids, 3 cakes, 200 gram. Alright guys, take care. Hope it was helpful.